Bonjour! Today we will learn some vocabulary related to indoor and outdoor games in French. Indoor games means jeux d'intérieur. Outdoor games means jeux de plein air. These are playing blocks. Ce sont des blocs de jeux. Ce sont des blocs de jeux. Video game. Jeux video. Jeux video. This is video game. Jeux video. Archery in French is called as tihalak. Tihalak. Puzzle in French is called as puzzle. Puzzle. Playing cards in French are called as jouer aux cartes. Jouer aux cartes. Playing cricket in French is called as jouer au cricket. Jouer au cricket. Jouer au cricket. This is table tennis. C'est du tennis de table. C'est du tennis de table. This is the game of chess. C'est le jeu d'échecs. C'est le jeu d'échecs. This is carom board. C'est un plateau de carom. C'est un plateau de carom. Keep learning, keep practicing.